What is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's really technoboy, and these are bookshelf speakers from Kaga Harmony that you've seen in the unboxing video, and I did a sound test also. But now what I'm gonna do is I need to mount them to the wall because these are going to work as a front speakers for my cinema setup. But the problem is these are the bookshelf speakers and they're quite big and heavy, so it doesn't have the wall mount option here. So what I'm gonna do is I got this, what is that called, screw hole mount bracket or whatever. I'm gonna place them here and here, and two of this would be enough to hold this box because the whole back side is going to stick to the wall, so it would work pretty good, I think. But for using this I need a space like this between the body and this say metal bracket. For that I've cut this what is that, I don't know, MFT board or whatever. I think it's pretty hard, and I've cut them out, and I'm gonna mount them like this. And there is a space between the body and the bracket, you can see, though, so the screw is going to easily slide in. And now let's just quickly do it. First of all, I'm going to measure this place, and I'm going to do same with this other one, and then I'm going to find the measurement on the wall for this to place. So let's just quickly do it. I'll be back soon. Alright, so one speaker is done. You can see it's perfectly fit. And now I'm gonna do the other one. Alright, so both the speakers are ready to mount, as you can see. And this is quite a hard bracket. And I have used 1-inch screws, and the board is thick, you can see here. It's enough to hold this whole box based on these two bracket. And also I have used foam gasket all around the corners, as you can see, so it will reduce the vibration noise if there is any. Well, there is no vibration at all, but it makes quite good amount of bass. So now time to make the wall ready to mount this bracket. This is going to be a tough work to place two screws around this distance, both sides the same way. So let's do it. I'll be back soon. Alright, so the work is done. As you can see here, this is the left one, and this is the right one. So what I had to do is, on the wall, just mounted two screws on the wall, that's it. And this bracket went into the screws, that's it. Well, it sounds easy, but it was a hard work because of the measurement. That was the hard part, taking the measurement and do the holes on the wall at the right places. That was the hard part, and it's done. Now you can see the center is Yamaha, and these two are the Kaga Harmony. So hopefully these are going to be sound much better. And the Yamahas here they are. They're gonna sit here for a few days, and then I'm gonna place them as the surround speakers. Well, these are the surround speakers. Well, I'm gonna place this at the right places where they belong. So till then, have a good day. Bye bye.